To retrieve sensor IDs from the vehicle's ECU, you will need to use the OBD Quick Connect cable included in the kit. From the main menu, select Program Sensor. Then select Sensor Selection. Choose the sensor you are working with. Select the vehicle's make, model, and year. For this example, we will be using a Chevrolet Trax 2017. Select Retrieve ID. Select the number of wheels. Now we must connect the tool to the vehicle's ECU to retrieve the sensor IDs. First, ensure that the ignition is in the on position with the engine off. Then we must connect the OBD Quick Connect cable to the tool. Now, connect the OBD2 cable to the vehicle. Once the OBD cable is connected, press OK. The tool will display all sensor IDs retrieved from the vehicle. From here, press OK to copy the sensor. Place the sensor above the tool's antenna and hit the trigger button. The sensor has been successfully programmed. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 tires.